Video recording, importing with Camtasia. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to do screen, camera capture, and video importing. I will first begin with screen and camera capture. First, you need to find and open Camtasia. Once open, you will have to go to the left-hand corner of your screen. Click File, Open New Project. Your first Camtasia page should appear. To start recording, we must press the recording button. For Mac users, your recording button is on the lower left-hand side, and for PC users, your recording button is on the upper right-hand side. Once clicked, a pop-up should appear. This pop-up should always appear when you click the recording button. Full screen allows you to choose different recording dimensions, like the iPhone or YouTube dimension. You are also welcome to customize the ideal dimension for your project. You are also able to turn off and turn on your screen capture. Green is on, gray is off. You can also do this to the camera. It's now on, and it's now off. This is your computer's integrated microphone. It's light gray because it's off, and it's green now because it's on. As you can see, it's registering my voice. This is the system audio. System audio is the sound that comes out of your speakers. You usually have to install system audio in order for you to use it. Once system audio is installed, you will be able to record sound, per se the sound of a YouTube video. Now we can press the red button and start recording. Once you are finished recording with Camtasia, a simple way to stop recording is to go to the upper right hand corner of your desktop and click on the red film. Once the red film is clicked, you will see the stop recording and pause recording. I will click pause recording. Here you have the option to delete, start over, resume, or complete your Camtasia recording. Once you stop complete your recording, a pop-up should appear. This just gives you the option to look for Camtasia tutorials and additional help. Video importing. To import media, or in my case video, you first have to open Camtasia and open a new project. Once a new project is open, click on File and go down and click on Import Media. I usually keep the media that I will be using in my desktop for easier access. I will now choose the video that I will be recording with and clicking on Import. Once your video has been imported, it should appear in the media section of Camtasia, usually to the left. You can drag your video into your timeline, or you can right-click and add it to your timeline. Once you've added your video into your timeline, you will be able to play it in Camtasia. You can right-click on your video and see its properties. You can also separate your video from your audio. If you do not want your audio, you are able to delete it. If you do not want your video and you just want your sound, you are able to delete your video. You are also able to split your video into as many media clips as you like. Please note that now the split clips will be treated as separate pieces of media. You can stitch the cut pieces of media of your video by right-clicking and choosing Stitch Media. Now the two clips are registered as only one media item. If you would like to know more about stitching, please click More Stitching Info. I'll wait here. Welcome back. Now in your timeline, you are able to zoom in and zoom out. I tend to zoom in when I want to be really detailed in where my effects start and finish. To add more cool effects to your video, you can go to the Assets and Effects panel. They should be to the left. In the Assets and Effects pane, you will see Media, Annotations, Transitions, Animations, Video Effects, Audio Effects, and Cursor Effects. Video tips. Time and length. Make sure that the length of your video is appropriate with the content. You do not want to make a 10-minute video on how to open Camtasia, nor a 2-minute video on how to create an animation with Photoshop, convert it to a video, and then import it to Camtasia to add video effects. Music. Make sure that the music of your choice reflects the tone of your video. You do not want to play house music when you are talking about a serious subject. Credits. Always make sure that when using any outside resources, you always credit that individual, whether it is for their music or any of their graphics.